got to push the Ford in the garage so we can fix the flex plate.
Ready? There you go.
Just in 4 low, idling him back. Okay, so over this next week or so, we're going to pull the engine up or drop the transmission. New rear main seal, oil pan gasket, and the flex plate, which you already have. So there you go. It's getting colder, but we don't have a lot of snow yet. And I know I did a lot of mudding videos in summer that everyone seemed to like. So I'll do some more snow wheeling videos as soon as we get a little bit more snow here. I'll just take the plow off and put it over there. Hopefully we'll have this old girl ready to do some snow wheeling too. By then, it shouldn't take too long, probably in a week or so, depending on getting parts and what all we break while this is getting worked on, because something always breaks.